we made this snowflake. Now we are going to test the design. So what we are going to do, I'm going to save it as a SVG. I never save it from my working file. I'll make a fresh new file. Again, the settings are there: 12 into 12 inch RGB color and 300 dpi. So this file, and I'm going to copy my snowflake, hit Control C, Control V, and I'm going to center it very nicely and make it a little bigger. So this snowflake, you can see this vector art is alone in this layer. There is nothing, no extra points, nothing. I'm going to go to save as, and I'm going to go to my desktop, save it, select SVG and snowflake -2 because I made one before. So I want to save it as an SVG, change nothing. Okay, now I open my Cricut design space. I will open a new project, upload this snowflake from here. From upload, you see snowflake 2, open and upload it to my Cricut design space. I will select again, insert image. Now this is in this area. I will change the color so you can see the cut lines here. You see how the cut lines are? They are nice, clean, ready to go, clean, crisp line. And if I tell the Cricut design space make it, you will see this snowflake will cut properly. Even if I reduce the size of it, which I'm going to do, let's see, make it into 2 into 2 inch at least, like this. At least this is about 2 inch into 2 into 2 inch. Now make it, you see, clean cut line. So this file is good. This file is ready for the use. These snowflakes are available for free in a bundle from my Creative Fabrica store, and these snowflakes are 8 in number, which we are going to build one by one, and these are available for free from my Creative Fabrica store. And the link to this design will be in the description of this video.